Are you looking for natural ways to balance your hormones and improve your health? Try these 5 yoga asanas to regulate hormones and enjoy good health. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of yoga and its powerful asanas, which are specifically designed to regulate hormones and promote overall wellness. Yoga, an ancient practice with roots in India, has been lauded for its ability to harmonize body, mind, and spirit. But did you know that it can also help balance your hormones? Yes, specific yoga postures, known as asanas, can stimulate the endocrine glands in our body, promoting hormonal balance. In this video, we will guide you through 5 potent asanas: Bhujangasana or cobra pose, Setubandhasana or bridge pose, Malasana or garland pose, Sasangasana or rabbit pose, and Ustrasana or camel pose. Each of these poses holds the key to unlocking better health and hormonal harmony. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? Stay tuned as we delve into each asana step by step. Bhujangasana or cobra pose. Firstly, we have the Bhujangasana or cobra pose. This pose is known for its ability to increase flexibility in the spine, tone the abdomen, and also improve digestion. But before we delve into the pose, remember, yoga is not a race. It's a journey of self-discovery, so take your time and listen to your body. To begin the Bhujangasana, lie down on your stomach on the yoga mat, feet together. Place your palms directly under your shoulders and ensure your elbows are drawn straight back, hugging them into your sides. This is your starting position, grounding you to the earth and preparing you for the pose. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lift your chest off the floor. As you do this, imagine a string tied to your chest, pulling you up. Roll your shoulders back and lift up only till your navel. Be mindful of your elbows. They should continue hugging your sides and not wing out to either side. Draw your shoulders away from your ears, creating space and releasing tension. Your neck stays neutral in this pose, so don't crank it up. Instead, keep your gaze on the floor. This aids in maintaining balance and focus. You are now in the cobra pose. Breathe in and out in this pose for 5 long breaths, allowing the pose to work its magic. The benefits of Bhujangasana are manifold. It not only strengthens the spine and tones the abdomen, but also stimulates abdominal organs, improving digestion. Moreover, it opens up the chest, helping to clear the passages of the heart and lungs and stretching the muscles in the shoulders, chest, and abdominals. Additionally, it helps in relieving stress and anxiety, providing a sense of calm and well-being. After you have taken 5 long breaths, come back to the starting position, exhaling as you lower your body back onto the mat. Remember, yoga is about balance, so give your body time to rest and absorb the benefits of the pose before moving on to the next. The Bhujangasana is a great start to your journey towards better health. Its combination of physical and mental benefits makes it a powerful tool in your yoga arsenal. Setubandhasana or bridge pose. Next, we'll explore the Setubandhasana or bridge pose. This pose is an excellent way to open up the chest and heart, stimulating the thyroid gland and improving circulation. It's also known to help alleviate symptoms of menopause, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Let's dive into the details. Begin by lying down on your back. Bend your knees, keeping your feet hip-width apart on the mat. It's important to ensure that your knees and ankles form a straight line. Allow your hands to rest by your sides, palms facing down. Now, let's get into the pose. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, press your feet firmly into the ground. Begin to lift your hips off the mat, starting with your tailbone, then your lower back, and finally your middle and upper back. Imagine your body forming a bridge, your shoulders and feet acting as the sturdy base. Next, roll your shoulders inward and let the chest gently rise towards the chin. Remember, don't lower your chin towards the chest. You're aiming to create a gentle arc, not a sharp bend. At this point, you're supporting your weight with your shoulders, arms, and feet. Hold this pose for 5 long breaths. Feel the stretch in your spine, the opening of your chest, the engagement of your legs. This is the Setubandhasana, a pose that strengthens your back, eases stress, and reduces anxiety. To come out of the pose, exhale and gently lower your body back onto the mat, starting with the upper back, then the middle, and finally the lower back and hips. Let your body relax into the mat, feeling the effects of the pose. The Setubandhasana is more than just a physical pose. It's about creating a bridge between your body and mind, opening up spaces within yourself that may have been closed off. It's about finding balance and harmony within your body and using that to navigate the world around you. The Setubandhasana is a powerful asana that can help you feel more balanced. So give it a try and see how it can transform not just your body, but your mind as well. Malasana or garland pose. Now, let's move on to the Malasana or garland pose. This yoga asana is a deep squatting pose that stretches the lower back, hips, and thighs, while stimulating the metabolism and digestive system. To begin, stand with your feet about mat width apart, slightly turn out your toes. Now, bend your knees and lower your hips toward the floor, coming into a squat. If your heels lift from the floor, don't worry, you can place a rolled blanket or towel underneath them for support. As you settle into the squat, bring your upper arms inside your knees. Bend your elbows and press them against your thighs, joining your palms together as if in prayer. This is the heart of the Malasana pose. Now, let's focus on our posture. Try to keep your spine as straight as possible, allowing your hips to move closer to the floor. At the same time, make sure your shoulders are relaxed and not hunched up near your ears. Breathing is an essential part of any yoga pose, and the Malasana is no exception. As you maintain the pose, take deep, slow breaths. Aim for 10 long breaths, but if this feels too challenging, start with fewer and work your way up over time. The Malasana or garland pose is much more than just a physical stretch. It's a pose that promotes a healthy digestive system, boosts metabolism, and can even help alleviate menstrual discomfort and sciatica. Plus, by practicing this pose regularly, you'll be improving your balance and concentration. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, it's about progress and patience. So don't worry if you can't achieve the full Malasana pose right away. With regular practice and time, you'll get there. To come out of the Malasana pose, gently straighten your legs and stand up. You can shake out your legs a bit if that feels good. The Malasana is a wonderful pose for those seeking to improve their digestion. It's a pose that truly embodies the spirit of yoga, combining physical postures, mindful breathing, and a focus on holistic well-being. Sasangasana or rabbit pose. Next up, we have the Sasangasana or rabbit pose. This pose is particularly beneficial for anyone looking to relieve stress and tension, especially in the neck and shoulder region. Let's delve into how to perform the Sasangasana. Begin in the hero pose or Vajrasana, sitting comfortably on your heels. Extend your arms backward, reaching for the soles of your feet. Hold on to them with a firm yet gentle grip. This is your starting position. Now, tuck your chin inward towards your chest. Simultaneously, start to round your body forward, hinging at your hips. It's as if you're trying to curl into a ball. Your head should naturally drop towards the floor with your forehead gently touching your knees. Once you have achieved this position, lift your hips upward slightly. The crown of your head should be resting on the floor without any pressure. It's crucial to remember to keep this pose comfortable and not strain your neck or back. Rest in this position, allowing the pose to work its magic. Take 5 deep breaths, inhaling the calmness and exhaling any stress or tension. After 5 breaths, you can slowly uncurl, returning to the hero pose. Repeat this process 3 times. The Sasangasana or rabbit pose is a wonderful yoga asana that helps to lengthen the spine and stretch the back, shoulders, and neck. It aids in relieving tension in these areas and promotes better posture. Additionally, it helps to calm the mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Remember, yoga is not about pushing yourself to the limit, but rather about finding balance and harmony within your body. Always listen to your body's signals and modify the pose as needed. Incorporating the Sasangasana into your regular yoga routine can bring about a noticeable improvement in your overall physical and mental well-being. The Sasangasana is an excellent pose for those looking to relieve tension and stress. Ustrasana or camel pose. Finally, we'll look at the Ustrasana or camel pose. Begin by kneeling, keeping your body upright with your hips stacked over your knees. Rest your hands on the back of your pelvis, fingers pointing toward the floor. Now roll your shoulders back, and leading with the chest, start gently leaning back as you move your hips and thighs forward. Your chin should be slightly tucked toward your chest, maintaining a forward gaze. If you find comfort in this position, take it a step further. Reach back and hold on to each heel, ensuring your thighs stay perpendicular to the floor and your hips directly above your knees. Inhale and exhale deeply 5 times in this position. To release the pose, lift up through your pelvis, elongating the lower spine, and gently sit back in child's pose. The Ustrasana is a powerful pose that can help improve your posture and reduce back pain. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.